Imagine this. One night, you look up, and the moon is getting bigger. Not just brighter, closer, way too close. Let's find out.
The trajectory is confirmed.
What if the moon is falling toward Earth?
God, it's headed straight for us.
Could it really happen? And what would it do to us? First, the moon isn't just decoration. It stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, our planet would wobble wildly. But if the moon started falling, things get terrifying. At first, we'd notice massive tides hundreds of meters high. Coastal cities, gone within days. The gravitational pull would tear apart satellites and stations. The sky would glow red as the moon scrapes through our atmosphere. The friction, enough to melt mountains. Then, the final impact. The moon hits Earth at over 36,000 kilometers per hour. The energy released more than all nuclear bombs ever made. Oceans boil. The atmosphere ignites. A firestorm sweeps across continents. Within hours, everything familiar gone. But wait, could the moon really fall? Not unless something massive hits it first. Maybe an asteroid or a rogue planet passing too close. Such impact would knock the moon off orbit. Once that happens, gravity takes over. The moon spirals inward, faster and faster. Tides go wild, volcanoes erupt, earthquakes shake the planet. It's not just a collision, it's planetary destruction. But maybe something else happens first. The moon could break apart before it hits. Debris would form a glowing ring around Earth. Like Saturn's rings, but made of our shattered moon. It would be beautiful and tragic. Life on Earth? Almost impossible. The moon gave us stability, tides, and light. Without it, we wouldn't even be here to watch.